In this lesson, we will try to use a reference triangle to determine the 6 trigonometric function values for theta equals negative pi radians. To begin, we sketch the angle in standard position. The initial side is along the positive x-axis. From here, because the angle is negative, we rotate clockwise pi radians, which is half a rotation clockwise, which indicates the terminal side is along the negative x-axis. Whenever the terminal side of an angle in standard position falls along the x-axis or y-axis, we have what's called a quadrantal angle, where a multiple of pi divided by 2 radians or 90 degrees. When this happens, we will not be able to sketch a reference triangle. We'll have to determine the trigonometric function values using the point of intersection where the terminal side intersects a circle centered at the origin, as well as the radius of the circle. Let's assume the radius is 1, so we have the unit circle, and therefore the point of intersection of the circle and the terminal side of the angle in standard position, this point here, would be the ordered pair -1, 0, which indicates x equals -1, y equals 0, and r equals 1. And we can define all 6 trigonometric function values in terms of x, y, and r as shown below in our notes. Cosine negative pi equals x divided by r, and because in our case r equals 1, we can say cosine negative pi equals the x-coordinate of -1. Sine negative pi equals y divided by r, and again because r equals 1, we can say sine negative pi equals y, which equals 0. Tangent theta equals y divided by x. Notice y divided by x is 0 divided by -1. 0 divided by -1 equals 0. Tangent negative pi radians equals 0. Secant theta equals a reciprocal of cosine theta, or r divided by x, or in our case 1 divided by x. 1 divided by x is 1 divided by -1, which equals -1. Cosecant theta equals a reciprocal of sine theta, which equals r divided by y, or in our case 1 divided by y. Notice 1 divided by y is 1 divided by 0. Division by 0 is undefined. Cosecant negative pi is undefined, which means in our homework system we enter D and E. And finally, cotangent theta equals a reciprocal of cotangent theta, which we can see would be -1 divided by 0. We can also say cotangent theta equals x divided by y, which also gives us -1 divided by 0. In either case, division by 0 is undefined, and therefore cotangent negative pi is undefined, and we enter D and E. I hope you found this helpful.